All right, so special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their wireless microphone. As you can see, this microphone plugs in with a standard headphone jack. So this is perfect for live streaming, online meetings, online classes. This should work with your computer, whether it be a Windows or Mac desktop, as long as it has a headphone jack. But it would also work with an iPad or any Android tablet or phone that has a headphone jack. So that's the front, company logo there, just stickers on the top. The back has a little bit of the specs. So your charging cable is a 5-volt 1-amp USB. The model number is the M21. The working time is up to 6 hours. So you could be on a chat for 6 hours with this mic. And the working distance is up to 8 meters, which is, what's 8 meters in feet?
8 meters is equivalent to 26 feet, 2.961 inches.
Nice. So 26 feet. Nothing here, nothing here. Let's see what comes inside of this. Oh, look at that. It's in a little case. Very nice. Okay. And then that's it for the box. So we have an included little quick start guide user's manual. So you can see the microphone and the receiver here. Very nice. Some extra information there that you may also need to know, light indicators, etc. And then inside of this nice little package is our microphone. I like this. Got a zipper on it. Wow. All right. So what all we have in here? We have, this is a regular USB to USB-C cable. This is most likely to charge up the receiver or the microphone because the receiver has a little USB-C plug there on the bottom, and then it just has a power button. So we also have a USB-C to USB-C cable, and then a USB-C to lightning cable. And then you even have a couple of extra little covers for your microphone. And then even this is actually a little audio jack adapter. So if needed, you could take this, you could plug it into here like so, and then plug this into whichever device you're trying to use. That's up to you. And this is the receiver. Not really a whole lot to show you here. USB-C port to charge and the power button. So that is an indicator light. The flashes blue, red, white, etc. to give you more info. And then lastly, here is the microphone. And that's it for this case. Nothing else in the case. But the microphone also has USB-C port for charging, and then its own little power button and light indicator. So that makes that nice and easy. No, this is not a button. It's just to help you clip it on yourself. These two talk to each other automatically. You don't have to do anything to make these communicate with one another. As long as this is plugged into the headphone jack on whichever device you're using, phone, tablet, etc., this microphone will be connected to it and working for you as long as they're both charged up also. So again, special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send me this wireless microphone to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching this unboxing, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.